morning. Wet and windy today. On a new mission today. It's only about 40 acre field, so I'm going to give it a try, see what I can find, and hopefully post the finds up later. Hopefully this weather clears up a little bit. It is windy, it is raining, but I can see a bit of blue sky on the left. Okay, on to the first hole. Take care. Just dug this up, solid 21 on the simplex. It's a lead token. You can just see the dots there. It's a bit of a circle. Solid 21. Sorry about the wind, I can't do anything about it. But hopefully I'll find some nice things to show you. Right, on to the next. Just dug this up, a solid 73 on the simplex, and as soon as I turned the sod, there was a... It's got to be a button or coin. No, it looks like a coin. Bit quite smooth. Let me just give that a squirt with a bottle and I'll be back with you. Right, give it a clean. A little bit of writing on the left hand side there. That's all I can see. I don't think I'm seeing a bus, but I just can't tell. Very thin. Trusted at the back. I think that is the back. No, first coin of the day. Happy with that, thank you. Just dug this out. It was a scratchy signal, possibly of a old sinus or whatever. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this up, 73, 75 simplex, and I believe it's a coin. Give it a squirt on the old bottle and I'll get back to you. No, it's completely crusted up, can't see anything on it at all, it's that thin. Not a mark on it at all. Shame. Right, on to the next hole. Just turn the sod and I saw this at the bottom. I haven't put it out yet. Reading 60 to about 70 on the simplex, and it's another. No, I think it's a button. It's a button. Silver on one side, green on the other. Right, let me give that a clean and I'll get back to you. Right, just give it a clean. It's definitely a button. You can see where the shank was there. Turn it over. Bit of silver gilt on it. Can't get that brown stuff off. Yeah, so a little button. Right, on to the next. I wasn't going to dig this target out because it was a scratchy 4, believe it or not. So something made me do it, and out pops, I think it's the top end of a button. Yeah, that's what it is. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this up, solid 75, 76. Don't know what it is. Let's have a look. Possibly coin of some sort. Right, let me get back to you and I'll clean that up. Nothing much on it. I don't know whether it's a coin or a button. I can't see a shank in the centre. No markings. So that's a mystery item. Okay, on to, just got a target 46 to 48, so let's see what it is. What the hell's that? Looks like a piece of bronze, quite heavy. Don't know what it's off. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this up, solid 25, 26 on the simplex. There's a button. Yep, little button. Okay, on to the next hole. Took me ages to find this. It's a button. So it is. Right, on to the next hole. Just dug this up. It was 66 on the simplex. It's quite heavy. It's got a gap in there where something could have been. There. So that came in at 66 on the simplex. I think it's bronze, I'm not too sure. If anybody can have a think what it could be. Right, on to the next hole. Just had this one up, solid 32, 34 on the simplex, and it's a button. It's a shank. Yeah, solid 32, 34. Right, on to the next hole. Right, I'm back home. Let's just go through the finds I've found today. Found a nice pot leg. Seem to find a few of these. See where it would have been attached to the pot. Flat on the back, it's got a ridge going down the centre again. Small lead token. Another musket ball. 2 coins today, completely gone. Can't even see what's on them. I think one of them's got a little bit of writing on. I managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, and this thing here I'm not too sure of, but I reckon something was attached inside of that, and that part on the right there could have been the handle. Whether it was a knife or something, I don't know. And the rest is junk going into the lead bucket. Right, been a wet, windy day. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.